day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Wilhelmina Lazaro, 25 years of age, married, have 2 children, and undergraduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management course. And about my working experience, I worked as a domestic helper in Dubai for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities includes cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes. That's all, Sir, Madam.
Good day to you, Miss Wilhelmina. How are you?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So what are the advantages of the employer if they will hire you?
The advantages of the employer if ever they will hire me. I am honest, responsible, and hardworking.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
The proper way to take care of the children, it must be feed them on time, give them vitamins, play with them, and love them as my own children.
Okay, so what if you commit mistakes and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I will ask them an apology, and I tell them I will never do it again.
Okay, so do you have a message to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I need this job for the future of my family, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Wilhelmina. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.